Sending a job rejection letter is never easy, but leaving applicants without a response is even worse. Candidates spend time preparing resumes, attending interviews, and waiting for updates. A professional rejection letter shows respect for their effort while helping your company maintain a positive reputation and a professional hiring process. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to write a professional job rejection letter step by step. We'll go through every section individually, explain why each part is important, and use a complete sample that you can easily customize for your own hiring process. Let's get started. The first section is the sender's information. At the top of the letter, include the name of the person sending the letter, their job title, the company name, business location, email address, and phone number. This identifies who is communicating the hiring decision and gives the applicant a point of contact if necessary. The next section is the date. Always include the date the letter is written. This creates an official record of when the hiring decision was communicated. For this example, write July 16, 2026. After that, write the recipient's information. Include the applicant's name and mailing address if known. This makes the letter formal and properly addressed. Here's the sample. Mr. Mason Cooper, Dallas, Texas 75218. The next section is the subject line. The subject should clearly explain the purpose of the letter before the recipient begins reading the message. For this sample, write Subject, outcome of your job application. Now write the salutation. Since the applicant's name is known, use a professional greeting. Write, Dear Mr. Cooper. Now let's begin with the first paragraph. The opening paragraph thanks the applicant for applying and acknowledges the time and effort they invested throughout the recruitment process. Even though the outcome is not favorable, beginning with appreciation sets a respectful and professional tone. Here's the sample. Thank you for your interest in the financial analyst position at Pioneer Financial Services and for taking the time to participate in our recruitment process. We appreciate the effort you invested in your application and the opportunity to learn more about your qualifications and professional experience. Notice that this paragraph recognizes the candidate's effort before discussing the hiring decision. This helps maintain goodwill and leaves a positive impression of the organization. Now let's move to the second paragraph. This paragraph communicates the hiring decision clearly and professionally. The message should be straightforward without being harsh, while briefly explaining that another candidate was selected based on the organization's current needs. Here's the sample. After carefully reviewing your application and considering all candidates, we have decided to move forward with another applicant whose qualifications and experience more closely match the current requirements of the position. This decision was not an easy one, as we received applications from many talented individuals. This paragraph delivers the difficult news respectfully while assuring the applicant that the decision was made after careful consideration. Next comes the third paragraph. This section highlights the applicant's strengths and encourages them to apply again in the future. Even though they were not selected, recognizing their positive qualities helps end the hiring process on a respectful note. Here's the sample. We were impressed by your professionalism, communication skills, and enthusiasm throughout the selection process. Your accomplishments and experience are commendable, and we encourage you to apply for future opportunities with our organization that align with your skills and career goals. Including encouragement like this helps preserve a positive relationship with strong candidates who may be a good fit for future openings. Now let's continue with the fourth paragraph. This paragraph expresses appreciation once again and offers best wishes for the applicant's future career. Ending with gratitude demonstrates professionalism and empathy. The sample says, We sincerely appreciate your interest in Pioneer Financial Services and the time you dedicated to the interview process. We wish you every success in your future career and hope you will consider applying for other positions with us as they become available. This paragraph reminds applicants that their time and effort were valued, even though they were not selected. Now let's look at the fifth paragraph. The final paragraph brings the letter to a courteous close, by thanking the applicant once more and ending with a positive message. Here's the sample. Thank you once again for your interest in joining our team. We appreciate your understanding and wish you all the best in your future endeavors. A simple, respectful closing helps leave a professional final impression that reflects well on the company. Finally, end the letter with the closing. Write. Sincerely, then write the sender's name. Victoria Reynolds. Before we finish, here are some important tips for writing a professional job rejection letter. Always communicate the hiring decision clearly and respectfully. Avoid language that could sound overly critical or discourage the applicant. Keep the explanation brief, professional, and focused on the fact that another candidate was a closer match for the position, rather than pointing out the applicant's weaknesses. It's also a good practice to thank every candidate for their time and effort. If appropriate, encourage qualified applicants to apply for future opportunities within your organization. A respectful rejection letter protects your company's professional reputation and helps ensure that candidates leave the hiring process with a positive impression, even if they were not selected. That brings us to the end of today's tutorial. I hope this step-by-step guide has helped you understand how to write a professional job rejection letter with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more writing guides and sample letters, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.